welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? Hello, my name's Brooke. Click that subscribe button and join this little family that we have built here on YouTube. It would make my day. But today I wanted to bring you guys a quick beat tutorial, and if you haven't seen a quick beat tutorial of mine before, that is where I already have my makeup done, so I'm just showing you guys, okay, that's a lie. I already have my face makeup done, so I'm just showing you guys how to achieve the eyeshadow look and this area right here, you know, and this is a quick beat right here. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Also, quick reminder, follow me on social media and give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial. So I'm so excited for today's video because I'm finally using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I have wanted this palette since it came out, you guys, literally no joke. It is just so beautiful. I can't. So I'm so excited to use this today. I look a little crazy, but that's okay because we'll fix it. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E27 blending brush into Raw Sienna, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna put it in my crease and then blend it slightly upwards, and oh my god, the pigment, is this a joke? Is someone, where's Ashton Kutcher? Am I being pumped right now? Like, come on. Okay, so now that I have that shade laid down in my crease area, I'm going to be going in with the shade Love Letter right here and a smaller, more defined brush to go in and start to build that halo effect. I'm going to be focusing this on the inner corner and the outer corner as well as the crease, avoiding the middle of the lid because once again, this is a halo look, so we want to keep that open. If shadow gets on there, it's really not a big deal. We're going to clean it up anyways. I'm going to be using my Morphe E17 brush just because this has a nice domed tip to it, so it's really able to put the product down but also kind of control where I'm putting it. And like I said, starting to work it in this outer corner and then going into the crease area. I'm not going to bring it above that transition shade. I'm keeping this right here in the crease. Just like so. And then I'm going to go in and blend that out once I have both of the shadows down. Now taking a flat shader brush, I'm going to be mixing the shades Red Ochre and Venetian Red together and putting it slightly around the borders of that halo eye. I'm not going to cover up what I put down, I just want to enhance those shades, so I'm going to very lightly pack this on and then blend it out with a clean blending brush. What I'm going to do now is just lightly go over that area with a clean blending brush. I'm going to go in with concealer afterwards and just clean up the middle of my lid. Now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous shade right here, Primavera, and I'm going to add a little bit of Vermeer. I'm going to call it Vermeer. I could be pronouncing it wrong. I don't know. It's Vermeer to me. So I'm going to be mixing these two shimmery shades together right here and putting it right over top of where I just put that concealer. Then I'm going to go back in and just blend around the edges and make sure that everything looks seamless. But I'm just going to be applying this with my finger because that's how I feel like I get the most pigment. Now all I'm going to do is go back in with Venetian Red and Red Ochre right here, mixing these two together, and I'm just going to go around the edges of the shimmer shade I just put down just to make sure everything looks blended and seamless and so it's not so like in your face. I'm going to go in with my Morphe black eyeliner and I'm going to smudge this onto my lash line. I'm also going to tightline with it and line my lower waterline with it. I'm going to go in and apply a quick coat of the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. So I'm going to be using my Ardell Wispie lashes today. I'm just going to apply these. I'm going to do this off camera because I always get out of frame whenever I try to do this on camera, so there's no point in me even filming it. I'm going to put my lashes on and put eyeliner on my lower waterline, and I will be right back. I'm just going to blend out Love Letter on my lower waterline just to add some definition and tie the look together. Basically, I'm going to mimic what I have on my lid on my lower lash line. Now what I'm going to do is put a very light coat of what's that? I'm going to put a very light coat of mascara on my lower lashes. I also just highlighted my brow bone and my inner corner with that highlight shade as well, and now I'm going to go in and do the lips. Today I'm going to be using the shade Suspect by Morphe. Okay, so now that I have the lips on, I'm just gonna go in and put a bit of Mary Lou just on my Cupid's bow just for a bit of highlight because I'm extra. Alright guys, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know. Leave a comment down below on what you want to see me film next or any suggestions that you may have. And also don't forget to subscribe. The button's right down somewhere there. Just click it. It'll just make me really happy. I'm not gonna lie. It'll make my day. Don't forget to check out the last video that I did. It was more of a springtime natural stay all day makeup look. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I will have all of that linked down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye guys! It's hot. It's real hot in here. I already have my eyeshadow. Here, and I'm going to start by working this into my transition. So satisfying. I need a moment. It's a nice precision. I was going to say precision. With a clean bend. What? I'm not going to... Wait, what? And not like a chalky. Go in and curl my lashes. Just kidding. Highlighted my brown. I haven't done neither. Wait. Down below so you get subscribed. I mean, what? Bring to you guys? I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, smoky. No, wait.